everyone! Today we are going to learn how to make a sock puppet and a nice filter. This is another activity that we can do together, parents and kids. So let's go?
For that, we will need socks, pom-poms, a marker, a scissor, buttons or some eyes, wool, hot glue. First, we are going to choose a funny and old sock. Then we need to decorate it. So you can use your marker to do the eyes, the nose, and maybe the ears if you want. We can choose how to decorate together, but let's leave the gluing part with the parents, okay? Now we can put the nose, just a little drop, okay? And we can use pom-poms to make the ears. Our puppet is almost ready. Let's make the hair. Float the wool around your finger like this. Get a little piece and do like this. Then you just have to cut both sides. That is a beautiful hair. Now our puppet is ready. A shoebox, a cutting knife, a brush, a scissor, fabrics, and some paintings. Get your shoebox. We need to take out that top. Get a paper, float in the middle like this to make the window. In the middle again. Put inside your box, use a marker to make the shape. Now you can use your cutting knife to cut the window. And remember, just parents can do it. Choose a color to decorate. So you can glue your fabric to decorate your filter. And once again, decorating the way that you want.
Now we can call our friends and play all day long. I hope you like it. If you did, please give us a like, comment below, and share with your friends. Bye! Thank you so much!